Dr. Jayant Khandare is an eminent research scientist and director of MIT School of Consciousness and Reality. He is a doctorate in chemical engineering from Mumbai University. He is highly recognized for his research in micromolecular chemistry, biopolymer science, stem cell biology, and other related subjects. He has been a guide to more than 30 research students. As a much sought after speaker in various national and international conferences, it is indeed a privilege to listen to Dr. Jayant Khandare. If you would like to watch more such quality videos, please subscribe to Vishwashanti Darshan, a channel dedicated to world peace. Please don't forget to press the bell icon.
If you look, the Rontgen actually expressed or showed X-ray machines in 1901 is, I think, Rontgen X-rays Nobel Prize. That's the first Nobel Prize got into. Accidental, incidental, and there were lines that come to this room where you could be actually photocopied or X-rayed, and in 2 minutes we can detect whether you have a tuberculosis or not. So that is what is the story that actually went on to the Rontgen. Many of the incidences were very accidental or serendipity. So early advancement in cancers, I think I have already spoken. In general, population knows actually what goes in a solid tissue biopsies. Look on the left-hand side, this is what is a PET scan, that what most of the often actually the oncologists see. And the implication or the outcome is stating that you cannot be treated, go home and count down the number of days. Right-hand side, when there is a primary tumor that is being formed, at the same time, few cancer cells are disseminated. They fall at the local region, and those cancer cells which fall from the primary site, they come into the peripheral blood, they circulate, they migrate, they actually attach other healthy organs, and that's what the extravasation and invasion and the migration and the metastasis happen. And very few studies have shown actually what this happen. If you look into these two solid tissues on the right-hand side below, right-hand side depicts if you take those tumor cells which are in circulation of a blood and inject into the mice, in few days the mice and rat can have actually very high, bigger size of the tumors. If you look, this is the last, second, third slide, what I'm going to talk about. If there were 5 tumor cells in 7.5 ml of a cancer patient blood, it suggests shorter survival of 18 months. So liquid biopsy in the form of capturing circulating tumor cell from epithelial origin cancers is very, very challenging for one reason, that there would be the abundance of circulating tumor cells is 1 in 1 billion other normal blood cells. So you need to actually identify, create materials which can identify one or separate out one needle from the haystack. You need to actually create those smart material, and it has an utility of a diagnosis. You can monitor a patient based on to the tumor cells that actually patient would happen. Especially on the right-hand side, if you see circulating tumor cells were 30, the patient had a treatment, local regression happened. In spite of that, the circulating tumor cell increases. The patient was happy that he is actually in regression, doctor is happy. However, actually the tumor cells increase and the therapy was changed and the tumor cells came down. So the baseline circulating tumor cells can establish actually how many days or months whether the patient will going to survive. So this is what is the formula of this test of a liquid biopsy, which was evaluated in US in 2004. So this formula states that if there were 5 or more cells in metastatic cancer patient per 7.5 ml, the patient would survive or, die in particular time. But remember, from 2004 to 2018, the advantage of technology has been evolved. We have better materials, better antibodies. We have greater microscope. In our School of Pharmacy also, we have wonderful fluorescence microscope. Not in a metastasis, but even in the primary cancer patients, we have seen now more than 1,000 patients where this circulating tumor cells is very, very high. When we started this technology, the cost was actually $2,600, exorbitant. How many patients, how many people in this country can afford 3 times $2,600? Cannot. It is not a treatment, it's a diagnosis. The objective number 1 before 10 years was, if we bring this unmade technology in India as a liquid biopsy, can my team actually make this free of a cost? I'm very happy to say that we are the only second company in the world who has got FDA's license after US. The cost of technology, last 3 months actually we delivered to the patient free of cost. And we are only company who evaluated more than 1,000 patient sample in Indian phenotypes. And I'm very glad that I could actually explain you what is the liquid biopsy what we delivered. Last 22 seconds, sum up that creating technologies of future requires lot of patience, persistence, team efforts, regulatory bodies, clinical trials, that if I could achieve this, not of 100 crores rupees or $100 million, only $0.7 million. I had a lunch with an investor from US at 3:15. I walked here. Sir, one point, we should not look and follow what others have done into the complex technologies. There are immense problems that we need to find solution at a ground level. In this country, we do not have great clean air. We do not have clean water. I remember in 99, we going to Alandi and fitting a filter over there, which NCL had actually created. We do not have a clean water, clean air, right? Clean environment. So there are immense challenge. In my perspective, if you have one opportunity to do something for society, plan your objective, however incremental or however societal, right? I'm very happy that as a researcher, I have been lucky to have one technology and multiple technologies. Today, I have been vouched for $20 million funding for my next technology in the US. I've been offered a green card by my founders. I'm not going to exit from this institute until I actually achieve something smaller from this institute. That's my last promise here.